In this video, we are going to see how we can empty our trash folder on Facebook. So let's say that you have deleted a recent event or a picture or a post. You click on this three dots and you click on move to trash, but it is kept in the trash for 30 days. Let's say you have moved it, but now you want to remove it. So we immediately get the option of go to trash. But if not, and you just want to delete it in future, let's say, what you can do to find the trash option, you click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings and privacy, click on the activity log, and here you will find the trash option on the bottom left. So if you have multiple posts, you can select them all, or you want to select and pick and choose whatever you like, and you can restore it, archive it, deselect or delete it. In this case, we want to empty our trash. So click on delete, and that is how you can permanently delete all the items that is moved to the trash folder. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.